Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. Spending the festive season alone after experiencing a divorce or separation can be tough. If you feel anxious at the prospect of facing these once happy times as a single person, you're not alone. Thankfully, there are a few things you can do to make the upcoming Christmas period a little more bearable. We all have people in our lives that love and care about us, whether that be a best friend or a close family member. Surrounding yourself with a strong support network can help to lift the spirits at Christmas time. Putting the kids first is important too. Plans for shared care should be made well in advance to avoid unnecessary conflict. The sudden disruption in routine can be equally challenging for your children, so it's a good idea to make sure they are comfortable with any plans that you make. If you're looking to avoid an awkward run-in with your ex, planning is key. Perhaps consider choosing a holiday destination you've never been to before. This will promote a sense of escape and allow you to form new, happy memories. Regardless of your situation, you are probably bound to face questions about your breakup at some stage. If you don't feel comfortable talking about it, arm yourself with a few rehearsed statements. Something like, "Thanks for your concern, but I don't want to dwell on the past," will help to shut down any nosy relatives. Above all, try to look after yourself as best you can. Take time to relax and unwind. If you're feeling too overwhelmed, reach out to a professional. You don't need to go through it all alone. If you have yet to agree on the division of property, we invite you to download our strategy guide to a win-win property settlement. This free ebook will help you to manage the property settlement process without spending a fortune in legal fees. Check out the link in the description below to find out more. And for more detailed information on surviving the holidays without a partner, check out our blog article. The link is below.